In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add frame in Miro. To get started, open Miro in your web browser and go to the board where you want to work. This can be any board you have access to, such as a personal board or a team board. Once the board loads, take a moment to confirm you are in the correct workspace and that the canvas is visible. If your board has a lot of content, you can zoom in or out so you can clearly see the area you want to focus on. Next, move your attention to the tools around your canvas. In Miro, the highlight tool is used to draw attention to content by adding a highlighted mark over the area you choose. This is helpful when you want to emphasize a section of your board, call out an important area during a presentation, or guide someone's eyes to a specific part of your diagram or notes. Now, click on the highlight tool. After you select it, your cursor will be ready to apply the highlight on the canvas. Position your cursor near the content you want to emphasize. Then click and drag across the area you want to highlight. Try to move smoothly and at a steady speed so the highlight looks clean and intentional. If you make a mistake, you can undo the action right away using the undo option, and then try again. After that, click on highlight again. This second click is useful when you want to apply another highlight mark, or if you want to be sure the highlight tool is still active before you continue working. You can repeat the same click and drag motion over a different area of the board to create a second highlighted section. If you are highlighting multiple items, it can help to keep your highlights consistent in size and placement, so the board stays easy to read. Once you've finished highlighting, take a quick look over the canvas to confirm the emphasized areas are clear and not covering anything important. If something looks too heavy or misplaced, undo and reapply it more precisely. And that is all there is to it.